everyone, hope you're all doing well. It's June 13th, I believe. I don't even remember now. And it's part 3 of the Tsushima honing session. We're going to be testing the results, see how we did with that troublesome Tsushima Nagara. Okay, we have the Poor Man's Spree Shave. We'll be using, I'm still testing this out, and the Aqua Velva Ice Blue at the end. Before I start, let me show you guys what I just got in the mail. Oh yeah, smaller than I thought, but cleaner looking, nicer looking, better feeling, you know, has a nice feel to it. And I'm excited to try it out. All right. Anyways, that's a fun little side project. All right, here is the experimental gold dollar, and this is the first pass. Let's see. Okay, so recap. Tsushima Black, the Tsushima Nagara, we set the bevel on that. We tried doing the medium work on there, and then we went to the finisher. The tests on the Tsushima Nagara were so-so. It bit on our nail, but it did not shave any arm hair. And then we went straight to the Nakayama, and here we are. Okay, it's shaving, we have hair there. And being quite honest, that feels pretty good. I don't want to, until I have all the 3 passes in the aftershave, I don't want to say anything concrete, because I don't want to get ahead of myself. I do want to thank Eric, the Cajun Blade. He's been helping me a lot through this process with this Tsushima. I also want to thank him for helping me out with some of the convex honing questions I had, and also Bill M, who has been a great help as well. We've had some good talks on the phone. I'm going to take this opportunity to practice the way Eric does his across the grain. He goes mouth to the outside. Man, that is a tricky stroke. So far, the edge feels comfortable. Comfortable and keen. All right, here we go. Almost whacked my ear there. All right. Now is the real test. I'm going to be doing against the grain. Someone said don't fight going against the grain. As a tip. Now I'm gonna take a bath anyway. Let me put it right here. Right there, it's I didn't want to cut the hair there. Against the grain, big problem area is the chin and the upper lip. Let's see. All right. All right. We're at the home stretch now. Don't fight it. Alrighty. Hopefully I didn't nick myself. We'll see in a few minutes. All right. Some cold water. Ice glue. Oh yeah, there's no sting at all. Happy with the results. I'm happy I also got some, my video reviewed, and I got some tips, some things I could do better, so just not feeling it today. But I'll be looking forward to your guys' next video. Like I said, this is part 3 of the honing the experimental gold dollar on the Tsushima Nagra. And I'm thankful for everybody who gave some tips on what I could be doing right, wrong. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. I think the next experiment on here is going to be tronic concave with a lapping plate. I don't think I'm missing anything. If you're interested in the gear that I use today, make sure to look at the description below. I also have a link there to my blog, The Razor Realm. And there's nothing new there yet. I do have some things planned for that blog. But I need some equipment to arrive here first. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.